Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to provide a Roblox investor update that explains why everyone is talking about Roblox stock today. It's up more than 12% as I'm recording this, and it's because the company announced an update to its metrics for December. So let's take a look at what has investors so excited about Roblox stock. Roblox updated investors, gave them some December key metrics, and one thing to note is that daily active users were 61.5 million. That was up 18% year over year. The hours engaged was 4.7 billion. This was up 21% year over year. Of course, these metrics were under pressure and investors were concerned about activity and engagement when economies started reopening because Roblox was such a prime beneficiary during the pandemic when kids were locked up at home, learning from home, and extracurricular activities were canceled. Roblox benefited tremendously and it gained millions of new users and engagement soared. So the fact that engagement is building on top of that and not decreasing as some investors were fearing is part of the reason why Roblox stock was up so much. If we go next, the estimated revenue between 189 and 199 million was a decline between 1 and 6% year over year. So revenue is still falling. Some of that is to be expected because of what I explained earlier. They got such a boost during the pandemic that you were expecting it to come back down. And if it's down only a little bit, like between 1 and 6%, that's okay. That wouldn't concern investors too much because it gained so much during the pandemic. Revenue was growing over 100% for a few quarters for Roblox. Estimated bookings were between 430 and 439 million. This was up 17 to 20% year over year. That's really good. That's really impressive. Remember that Roblox is free to join and use, and the way Roblox makes money is when customers deposit money to buy Robux, which then they can use to buy premium experiences within the game. So this is how Roblox makes money, is by selling this Robux in-game currency. And the way it accounts for this is as bookings. When customers deposit money on Roblox platform, it accounts for it as bookings, and then bookings turns into revenue over 24 months. So they split the deposit over 24 months and account for it as revenue. So the fact that bookings was up nearly 20% year over year is a good sign for revenue over the next 24 months. And then finally, and most importantly, and I have it highlighted here in this bright color, because this was the reason, in my opinion, the primary reason why Roblox stock was soaring, and that's the estimated average booking per daily active user, or ABPDAU, was between $6.99 and $7.14, which represent a year-over-year increase of between negative and positive 1%, or relatively flat. This was a huge improvement if we look at from the previous update for the November metrics I have here. Estimated average booking per daily active users was $3.9297. So that's not the key metric. The key metric is that it was down 7 to 9% year over year. So it improved from being down 7 to 9% year over year to being relatively flat. So it's flatlining, and there is signs that that could be the bottom, and this metric could be turning upward. So average bookings per daily active users takes into account the fact that it's got way more daily active users, and so if bookings are up, that doesn't really tell you very much unless you look at it on a per daily active user basis. That will tell you how much each user is actually engaging with the platform, depositing on the platform. So this was the really good news for Roblox, and this is why investors were so excited about the stock and why it was up about 12% as of this recording. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up further throughout this week. All right, so that's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.